Hi everyone, Chef Jon at the Monogram Design Center at the Merchandise Mart. The holidays are upon us, and I thought what a great way to cook off our new Advantium cooking series. So follow along in the description with the full recipe for these bourbon roasted nuts. Let's get started. First thing, roasted nuts. So we have raw mixed nuts here, unsalted, about 3 cups. Go ahead and add them all into a glass baking tray. Come into the Advantium, set that right in there on the bake tray, shut the door, and then access the speed cooking button. Scroll through all the way over to appetizers. Roasted nuts, 2 cups in this case, and go. In a matter of 6 minutes, these nuts are going to be perfectly roasted, ready to add the bourbon butter sauce to them. All right, everyone, our roasted nuts are just finishing up. I've melted the butter, the bourbon, the herbs, and the brown sugar here in a pan on the side. When those nuts are ready, we're going to go ahead and take them out of the oven, place them in the bowl, and mix everything together. Now that they're done, here we go. This will soon be a holiday favorite at your house. Serve them warm, serve them room temperature, just don't serve them cold. These are a hit.